Magnesium oxide is an oxide of magnesium. An ionic compound. At room temperature is a white solid, is the raw material of magnesium smelting. After years of industrial use and improvement, compared with other similar products, magnesium oxide ball press has the advantages of high pellet rate, small power consumption, compact structure and easy maintenance and debugging. Magnesium oxide ball press. Due to the roller extrusion, the product has high density, high strength, high hardness of 3 high characteristics, and magnesium oxide ball press, roll 650 mm hard material, has good wear resistance, effectively improve the service life of the press roll. Magnesium oxide ball press can be processed according to user requirements of different specifications and shapes of ball and socket. Ball and socket. After grinding, high finish, easy to demolding. After the magnesium oxide pelleting mechanism for forming materials, energy saving and environmental protection, easy to transport, improve the utilization rate of waste, has good economic and social benefits.